Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie acrimonious legal battle has torn their children from the actor parents who once lived for their grandkids but have been forced to accept a heartbreaking lack of contact for the last 8 years. Pitt has been estranged from his daughter Shiloh and twins Knox and Vivian, as well as his three adopted children Maddox, Bex, and Zahra. Since an explosive fight on their private jet in 2016 resulted in Angelina filing for divorce. Now insiders have revealed that the children's grandparents William and Jane Pitt have also suffered, with the devastated couple fearing that they may never be able to spend time with their son children again. Brad Pitt parents have not been able to see their beloved grandchildren for around 8 years, amid the ongoing divorce and legal battle between Brad and Angelina, an insider told People. The doting grandparents had been a very pleasant fixture in the children's lives before Brad's marriage broke down, with the duo often pictured enjoying quality time with them. Prior to the separation, they were a part of the kids' lives and they all spent a lot of time together. The source continued, "It is just heartbreaking to see that this is no longer the case. It is one thing for the kids to not see their father, but for Jane and Bill to not have any contact with their precious grandkids is sad. They are in their 80s and to think that they would never be able to spend time with the kids again is just unbelievable." William or Bill and Jane were last pictured in public with their grandchildren at the 2014 premiere for Angelina movie Unbroken. Brad took the children and his parents along to the Hollywood premiere in place of the actress, who had come down with a case of chickenpox. Jane had nothing but praise for Angelina at the time and told reporters, "We are so very proud of Angie. This means so much to our family, especially our grandchildren. We love her dearly." Angelina had talked fondly of Brad parents in the past for how they had accepted her adopted children. "When I first met them, I came in with two adopted children from other countries and I did not know how they were going to be," she said, "but they are equally loving with them." By 2016, the Maleficent actress had filed for divorce after only 2 years of marriage and familial relations were seemingly severed. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.